Wow, I feel like a whole new person. Like, what? What? Okay, I quit.
Play no games.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're more than welcome to stay. Just let me know how you got here in the comment section. Today's video is going to be how I install my lace frontal wigs, and y'all, this is like the best install I've ever done, so I'm so happy that I captured it on footage. So we're going to get into the video. This hair is from Msbuy. I believe it's their 18-inch curly wavy wig. The density is 150 and 13 by 6. I think that's all the specs on this hair. They also sent me some really cute lashes. Like, they're really thick, but I like them. I can't wait till I put some eyebrows on my face because I'm looking a little weird. Without further ado, let's get into the slay, babies.
Thanks, it's on the beat. Thanks, it's on the beat.
so this pretty much wraps up my video. I'm gonna keep this outro really short because they're playing music in the back. It's like the holidays, so you know, people getting ready to get their barbecue on. But y'all, this lace looks so good, this hair looks so good, this whole install just looks so good. I'm really proud of how this came out, yo. This is the most slay lace frontal I've ever done on myself. I'm just like so proud because I'm like getting so much better and it's making me happy. So but yeah, again, this is the Msbuy Hair. This is their 18-inch curly wavy lace front wig. It is 13 by 6. See, I get a lot of party space. They showed a lot of love, and I didn't even pluck my parting or anything like that. I think it just looks more natural that way, so I'm gonna keep it this way. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and then subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications so you do not miss when I post, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.